Have you ever stumbled upon a sleek, niche online store selling the coolest phone cases or the latest fitness gadgets? You browse their trendy collection, click Add to Cart, and poof, the product magically arrives at your doorstep a couple of weeks later. But have you ever stopped to think about the logistics behind this instant gratification? The truth is that online store you just visited might not even own any of the products they're selling. They might be using a business model called dropshipping, and AliDropship is a tool that helps them run that business smoothly. So, how exactly does AliDropship work? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping and how this handy plugin can take your e-commerce dreams from concept to reality. Step number 1. Unearthing your niche. The first step to dropshipping success isn't on AliDropship at all. It's all about finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What products do you see a gap in the market for? Maybe it's fidget toys for stressed out adults or sustainable yoga apparel. Whatever it is, choose a niche you're genuinely interested in. This passion will fuel your marketing efforts and help you connect with your target audience. Step number 2. Building your e-commerce empire the easy way. Now, this is where AliDropship enters the scene. Forget the days of spending hours coding and designing your online store from scratch. AliDropship offers 2 main options: a plugin and custom stores. The plugin, for a one-time fee, integrates with popular platforms like WordPress and WooCommerce. It streamlines the process of adding products from AliExpress, a giant online marketplace known for its wide variety of affordable goods, directly to your store. Think of it as a magic bridge between your website and a treasure trove of potential products. The other option is a custom store. For a slightly higher price, AliDropship builds you a complete, pre-populated store with a sleek design and hot-selling products already loaded in. This is perfect for those who want to hit the ground running without any technical hassles. Step number 3. Product selection. Curating your digital shelf. Here's where the real fun begins. AliDropship shines in terms of product selection. With its connection to AliExpress, you have access to millions of products across countless categories. But remember, just because you can sell everything under the sun, doesn't mean you should. Focus on curating a collection that caters specifically to your niche. AliDropship's search filters help you find high-quality products with good reviews and reliable suppliers who offer e-packet shipping, a faster and more trackable option for your customers. Step number 4. You've got mail and orders. Congratulations! A customer has placed an order on your shiny new store. Now what? The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't have to deal with physically holding or shipping any inventory. Here's where AliDropship's automation comes in handy. With a few clicks, you can use the plugin to fulfill the order directly through AliExpress. The supplier receives the order details, prepares the product, and ships it straight to your customer. You simply pocket the profit, minus the cost of the product and shipping. Step number 5. Customer care. The unsung hero of dropshipping. While AliDropship automates a lot of the process, remember, you're still the face of your brand. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building trust and repeat business. Be responsive to inquiries, address any issues promptly, and go the extra mile to ensure your customers have a positive experience. The road to dropshipping success. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort. Don't expect to get rich overnight. AliDropship is a fantastic tool that simplifies the process, but you'll still need to invest in marketing your store, building brand awareness, and providing top-notch customer service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.